2in1 cable specifically designed to charge and synchronize Apple Lightning products. Sturdy aluminum connector backs up files, downloads music and transmits photos with optimal speed. Nylon braided cable is tangle-free and flexible for best portability. Less prone to wire breakage. One convenient cord for use at home, office and car. 10-foot length keeps phone handy while charging. Compatible with iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6S, 6S Plus, 6, 6 Plus, 5S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, Air 2, Air 4, iPad Mini 4, Mini 3, Mini 2 Retina, Mini, iPod Touch 6th Gen, 5th Gen, and iPod Nan 7. Top reviews from the United States. Just what I wanted. Unlike the charger cable I recently ordered, this one fit perfectly into my iPhone. I didn't rate the durability as I haven't had the cable long enough. It looks and feels very sturdy though. It charges fast and is just the right length. Long and strong. I've purchased loads of these for Apple iPhone family users. It's a great length and all the ones I've personally used have been strong enough to be used daily until this review haven't failed.